For almost 3 years, I've been collecting rare vintage hats, and finally my collection is up to about 500 vintage hats. And today I want to show off one of those collections, which is my Sports Specialty Lasers, one of the rarest ones that I've got, and I've got about 40 of them right now. And I'm going to show you the entire collection. We've got the NFL ones right here, college and NHL, MLB and NBA, and then some of the specialty ones, which personally are my favorite. So we're going to go row by row. We're going to go by each team or each sport and show you what I got. But I'm really excited for this one. It's been a long time coming. I've been trying to make this video for the past 2 months, but every time I want to make it, it seems like I've got another one in the mail, or I'm working out a trade to get a new one. Right now I've got a Boston Celtics one and Washington Capitals one in the mail that I'm working out trades for. I bought the Celtics one, but I'm trading for the Capitals one because I just love those colors, like that diamond cut right there. But I just didn't want to wait anymore. I wanted to get this video out because I was really excited for it to show these off. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So as I said, there's 40 of these hats in total. Some of them are new. They've got this tag right here. Actually, a lot of these NFL ones are new because I got a bunch of them. I think actually 8 of them came from Castro Vintage. If you're not following him already, check him out. A legendary vintage hat collector. One of the best in the business, so definitely check him out. But he hooked me up with a bunch of these and really kicked off this collection, which kind of spiraled out of control after that. So we've got a Kansas City Chiefs. And if you're not familiar with Sports Specialty Lasers, what makes them special is the nice, really high quality stitching with the bright colors. The team logo on the front written out, or team written out on the front with the logo. And then that side panel, which has those little bars, which are called the lasers. And then usually the alternate logo is shown on the side there. But we've got that Chief arrowhead right in the middle, and then NFL Authentic Pro line on the back. And for me, these things just fit absolutely incredible. Most all of them have that white tag by Sports Specialties, made in Bangladesh. They didn't really vary from manufacturing there, so I just love how these look. The shape is just perfect for my head. So yeah, getting into these, starting off with the Kansas City Chiefs. And then I'm a Jets fan, so I've got 2 of these. One of them I wear actively, and the other one sits and collects dust with the collection because I'm afraid to take the tags off of it. I've got a Washington Redskins, which I do plan on selling because I'm located in the Virginia area near DC. A lot of people like hitting me up for Washington hats. We've got the Chief right there. And then this one's a beauty. San Francisco 49ers. This one could use a reshape. We have a duplicate. I didn't even realize I had a second one. Kansas City Chiefs. Atlanta Falcons. This one's really cool. I love the ones that just have a black brim. These are easy to wear with that red accent. This one's new with tags. A Seattle Seahawks. These colors really pop. Nice big Seahawk head there. Miami Dolphins. A Chargers with this San Diego right here. I've never seen this alternate logo, but this thing is so cool. This one's brand new with tags. A New York Giants, the red and blue. And then to round things off for the NFL, we've got a Tampa Bay Buccaneers, that red and orange. I always thought that these were the weirdest colors that they had, but with that orange or creamsicle, I just think that's such a cool color when they rock that. But the huge Buccaneer on the side, that's a nice logo. I told myself that after filming this video, I would thin down the collection a little bit, sell some of them, but it's probably going to be a lot of the ones that do not have the tags on them. I do definitely want to keep the ones that are brand new because those ones are more special and more rare. But if you do want one, definitely hit me up. I am open to offers on most of these. I'll say most of these. So yeah, here's the next up, the NHL collection. This one's definitely smaller. There's only 6 of them here. None of them brand new. So these have all been worn. These things are pretty special. And these 2, I thought this was a duplicate in the back here, But let's go from the back right here. We've got a Hartford Whalers. This one paired up with the diamond cut that I had that I really liked having that duo. I posted a picture with them, but once I posted it, I decided I'll let one of them go, but I couldn't let the laser, as I said, because it's my favorite. And then the one that had the same colors was this New York Islanders. The Islander right there. Such a cool alternate logo. Then we have a St. Louis Blues. My personal Boston Bruins, that gets a lot of wear. New York Rangers. And then an Ottawa Senators. This one's the only one that really has a flaw, I believe. And that's some like glue stain that I've tried to get out. But this one is interesting because the inside of it is gray. And I've never seen that on any of these. Same tag, legit, passed all the other checks. But yeah, this one was probably the most unique because of that. Now on to the NCAA, the college ones. Some of these brand new. We've got an Ohio State Buckeyes with the Buckeye on the side. Alabama, Crimson Tide. I have two variants of the University of Virginia. I actually thought I was getting a duplicate in the mail, but turns out Sports Specialties made two versions of this. Same logo on the side there. Actually, no, I really can't tell. They are different blues. This one's the navy blue. This one's the royal blue, but they both are that same orange. Let me know which one you like better. This one I'm probably not going to wear because it does have that tag, and I like wearing a lot of navy blue. So this one goes with a lot of my outfits, but both of these are really cool. I've never seen these lasers come in two alternate variations. And then here's a University of Michigan. Florida State Seminoles. This is the one that I'm actively looking to trade. Someone offered me their Washington Capitals laser, which I think would be an absolute crazy one to have. I love the colors of the Capitals. I'm not even a Capitals fan. As I said, I'm in that Virginia area, so there's a lot of Capitals fans around here, or just Washington fans in general. So I'm excited to trade this one away, even though this is a really cool one. And then we've got a Georgia Bulldogs with that classic G. I think this is probably the most simple logo of any sports team out there. No hate to Georgia fans. All right. So now onto the NBA. I'll touch on the one MLB one that I have, which is from my Yankees collection. I got a really good deal on this. I probably wouldn't have paid as much as this is worth, but I did get a good deal, so I had to add that one to the collection. I actually have a black dome one, which is navy, but this is just the white dome ones that I'm showing off now. So on to the NBA ones. There's only 5 here, but they're pretty cool. This Charlotte Hornets, the aqua blue absolutely pops. Little Charlotte Hornet. I don't know why I was blanking on the name. I almost called it the Bug. But cool alternate. Houston Rockets. Rocket there. This one says 175 on the inside. Not sure. I guess I didn't remove that since I've gotten it, but I got this for less than that. So seems like I got a good deal on it. Toronto Raptors. I've had this probably 4 or 5 different times because, as you know, premium 32 purple. That's my color. I love purple with anything. Purple and black, purple and white. Not as much the purple and red, I will say. But Toronto Raptors, really cool one here. Orlando Magic. I've had this one a few times. And then last but not least for the NBA collection is this Chicago Bulls. Really, really, really nice. All right. Rounding off the collection are the specialty hats. These are by far the best of the bunch. Probably the most expensive also. I'm kind of spoiling all of them right here. But kicking things off, the reason that this video wasn't posted last week was because I was waiting for this to show up in the mail. Team USA Basketball. All of these are wool blend, by the way, so no twill hats in here. They're all the same style except for that Senators one, but absolutely crispy. This NHL one right here, the black, orange, and white, kind of a nice Halloween one. I kind of didn't even think about that, but this may be my Halloween hat. It's unique. NBC Sports. I don't know why NBC spent so much money on their sports merchandise, but they they did it the best out of anybody. Definitely spent the money on the expensive brands like Sports Specialties. They've got some logo athletic ones, but they really did it right. Here's an NBA All-Star Game. This one is from 1995. It says it tiny in that silver print. This is from San Antonio, Texas, with the Alamo right there. 1995 Sports Specialties. Right when I started collecting, this was one of my most desired hats to get, which kind of kicked off my love for this style. But I definitely wanted to have this one. I think the Super Bowl with the X's in front was such a cool design, and I saw someone on social media wearing it, so I just had to get my hands on it. And I ended up getting a duplicate so I can wear this one and not have to worry about getting it dirty, because I always have this backup. And then one of my favorites, if you've been following, you know I like Final Four hats, obviously, like the one I'm wearing. This was either 1996 or 1994, but it was the NCAA from the Meadowlands. It's got the Statue of Liberty on the side. Again, brand new one for safety, and this one so I can wear. And then last but not least, 1996 MLB All-Star Game from Philly with that bell on the side and the MLB logo. I thought I was finished, but I actually just found one more. This one that I wear all the time when I'm golfing. You've probably seen it on my Instagram. We've got that S2H2 Callaway Golf. I thought this was not going to be the original, but it is unique because it has a strap on the back, which I think is really, really cool. Kind of goes for that old school golf look. Just a different look because it's not necessarily one of those major sports. So I love wearing this one. The black is kind of faded to a navy blue. I've had this one before, but sold it, and hopefully I can get another to share with somebody. But this one I'm definitely holding on to, and I'm always looking for some more. But I will say, now that I've shown these off, I am open to selling these. You may see some on premium32.com and in the upcoming hat drops. I'm going to be more hesitant to hold on to the, or more hesitant to let go of the ones still with tags. So if you like any of these in particular and want to make them yours, feel free to DM me on Instagram at premium32VTG. I'm always open to selling stuff. I mean, that's the whole purpose of this page, is to hook you up with really cool hats. With that, make sure to like this video if you enjoyed it. Comment below what you think and what you think I should make in the future. And have a nice day.